Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how a really popular meme was created. FBI open up. So you will need this. A not battery operated fan bubble blower. Now I gotta go grab my other material. One of these. Set that off to the side. Now they first started by making the knock effect, which basically just take a punch 3 times. Now I'm going to show you what this was for. It was to, even if it's like this, you can still put air into it. Just squirt a tiny bit of air into it. And then try again if it's too damp. But now, right now, we got this, which I think sounds good. If you couldn't hear it again, I'll do it. Well, if you couldn't hear it, I'll do it again. That's what my balloon sounds like. But if it was just the 3 knocks, kind of can't hear it because then it kind of starts kind of not too loud. But then they made somebody yelling, FBI open up. And you can basically just do that yourself. FBI open up! As you can see. Oh, crap. Okay. But now you need the busting down the door effect, and that will be all you need. You just hold your balloon like this and then smack it. But you need to come prepared. Put it on your left hand like this. Smack it and then punch it. If that doesn't work, just smack it and let it go down so it sounds like the air swooshed by. And then your final result would be FBI open up. If you can't hear that, I'll do it one last time. FBI open up. That's how the meme FBI open up was created. That was my opinion. We didn't really have to use this thing much. But you can do the same with the smack sound. Like whenever they were knocking, if the smack wasn't loud enough, more air, and I guarantee you that'll do the trick. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Come like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!